Good morning, students. So today we'll have a new lesson in English literature based on the same theme of lesson 10, that is making choices. And we have here a poem named Choices, lesson 11. I remember I have already told you about making choices. A choice that is made by Vashambad to approach Kunj Bihari, and we know that how unsuccessful it was. So today we have again this poem written by Alan Stibble named Choices. Dear children, we all have dream. While we go to sleep, sometimes we dream, or more than that, we all have a dream of our future, what we have to or what we want to become after our schooling, what we will become later. From always everybody says you should have a dream so that you can fulfill it. Small dream fulfilled in a small way, but if you have a big dream, Abdul Kalam also says, our former late President Abdul Kalam also speaks about the dream. He always spoke to the students about having a big dream. And here, big dream, when we have a dream, it's a goal of life to attain, then we work for it, we work hard for it, and we try to attain. For that, we have to make choices, right choices and wrong choices. Here in the book, a person named Norman Wagon, an explorer who was at the age of 88, he climbed the mountain in Antarctica, and his age was 88. Means to say, when he was young itself, this big dream was there, but it fulfilled at the age of 88. So he says, like, dream big and dare to fail. Means if you have a dream of becoming someone and dare, have that courage to attain it, and it will never ever fail. One or the other, with the struggles, you will fulfill it. You will reach to that particular dream to be fulfilled. So there are different types of dream. So have your own dream, what you want to become in this world, in your future. Something we have to have a stand. Thereafter we can become somebody great in our future life, for the cause of the society and for the cause of our country and world at large. So here the poet, already I told you, Alan Stibble, Choices, written by him, is about how we can make choices in our lives. Last time I told you, every day, every moment, we have to make choices in our life. Some big, some small. But choices, whether it is young, whether it is old, choices are made. If you notice it, we can make out. So there are always two kinds of choices listed by the speaker of the poem through the poem. When we read out the poem, we can make out always there are two types. A selection is given, choice is given to us. One of these choices is the wrong one, which usually leads us away from fulfilling our dreams, and the other leads us right to do it. Right to it. Just like Vashambad, he made a wrong choice of approaching him, but though his desire or the pangs of hunger was such, but he approached, and he himself says it was a wrong choice. So the speaker is asking the reader to make the right choices without explicitly stating it. Means definitely without, not that at large you make, you have to, there is no need of outspoken of our dream, but it has to be depend upon the choice that we make. So by the time we read this poem, today what I am going to do, already just given you the introduction to it. Now now I will do the recitation of this poem, so that this 2 days or 3 days you can keep reading it and enjoying the poem. And for the following class I will be explaining to you paragraph wise. So today we'll have the reading of the poem, that is a recitation of the poem. Listen carefully, repeat, know the correct pronunciation, and then try to find out if any word meanings which is not given to you, you need to know, please find out with a dictionary. So we all make choices in our lives. No, it is a fact that we make choices. While we are usually free to make them, we must also accept their consequences. So it is not necessary that only make choice and sit down quietly. No, there will be consequences, means result, whatever the troubles or good thing or bad thing that follows after making choices, we have to be ready for it. This poem talks about the many choices that life has to offer. Not 1 or 2 choices that life gives us. No, number of them, many. So it's all depend upon how mature, how good I am in selecting the best one. So even as a small little boy or a girl of class 4, you also have a chance to make choices. At home itself you can make a lot of choices these days. No, whether to go out or to remain at home. No, stay at home or to be out. Even our parents make that. No, necessarily they have to go out. But as a student, what is my responsibility? What is my choice? Yes, I want to go to play, or should I remain inside? 2 choices. One can be wrong and one can be right. You feel it is right, but it is wrong. Because nowadays it is not that proper, or it's not that good for us to go out and whatever we feel to do, but we have to stay inside. No, we have to stay inside. Okay, let's read the poem. Please follow the book, page 87. We all have a choice to live and lie, or be ourselves, to laugh and cry, or to follow someone else. To look up and smile, or bow down and frown. To walk the whole mile, or take off our crown. We have a choice to shout out loud, or chant a whisper, to fly through the clouds, or to be blown like a paper. To conquer our fear, or hide in the shadow, to the wise words hear, or be thrown out the window. We all have a choice to climb our highest mountain, or fall into our deepest hole, to drink from life's fountain, or live life like a troubled soul. To learn love in the heart, or grasp to hate with regret. To wake up and start, or sleep until sunset. We all have a choice to speak truly with ourselves, or go against what seems. We all have a choice to fulfill our greatest dreams. Written by Alan Stabile. So we have the word meanings also here. Please go through. In the next class, we'll have the explanation of this poem paragraph wise. Please read it many times. Thank you.